Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. Right now is 8 p.m. and I'm about to make some dinner. It also seems like you guys really enjoy my cooking videos. Some of you guys really like to see me eat. I love cooking, and especially because I have like a more spacious kitchen now, I look forward to cooking. This video is actually in collaboration with HelloFresh. I'm sure you guys have heard of HelloFresh, but if you haven't already, they are a meal kit delivery service. They deliver pre-measured ingredients to your door, and they give you instructions on how to cook these meals. So it's really simple and easy. So if you guys are interested, you can use my code MichelleChoi80, which is $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. That's like 6 free meals. I just got my delivery today and I'm really excited to choose one. I have here all the meals. It's actually perfect timing that my meals came today because my refrigerator, as you can see, is very empty. There's no food in here. I've always heard HelloFresh on YouTube and I really enjoy watching other YouTubers cook their meals. So I'm very excited right now to be finally doing this myself. I'm gonna make the Argentine chimichurri steak. Very excited to see what's inside. So they give you like step-by-step ingredients. So I'm sure I can't mess this up. But let's get chopping and cooking. And that is the final dish. The sauce is amazing. So good. I'm about to go get a scalp treatment right now at Dr. Scalp NYC, and it's my second time getting a scalp treatment from them. I love it so much, and I'm very particular with my scalp treatments. I've been getting them for like 2 years, and I have to say this one is probably the best. I got a lot of questions on my Instagram asking me to film it, so I'm going today with my camera to film it. They actually hit me up on Instagram because turns out one of the girls who works there is a viewer and she knows how much I complain about my scalp. So we are off to Flushing today. Do I have everything?
Call in progress.
Okay, so I'm here with Wendy. Wendy, you have to come. So she's the viewer that like actually reached out to me because she watches my videos.
Yeah.
So I already kind of did this last week, but she's gonna walk you through it just because you guys are curious what the procedure is like. So first thing is you like fill out your information. She's gonna ask you like kind of like your lifestyle habits, and then we're gonna use like this microscope camera thing, and she's gonna look really closely into my scalp and see what the problem is. You might think your scalp is okay, but once you see it under this, that's where all the problem is.
Wow, what happened? Whoa, what happened to you here?
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Wow.
It's so red.
So red.
gonna spray some kind of rose serum water to help relax my scalp. So in Korea, with the scalp treatments that I'm familiar with, they do a lot of these serums. They use a lot of machines, but the ones in California, because I've got scalp treatments in the States before, and it was so bad. Basically just like they shampooed my hair for me. Basically what I'm trying to say is that I'm really happy that I found a place that has all of these machines and they do it the right way. And you should always ask for Wendy because she's the best. 你好，
你好，
我是韩国人。韩国人。
对了，你说的真棒啊！
哦，谢谢。Okay, so she just put like a cover on, and then she's gonna put heat into it. This feels so good. Through here and into this, and I'm gonna take a short nap. Oh, that's my favorite. Alright, now that my hair is dry, we're gonna use this device. She's gonna massage my neck. There's like a little needle and it pokes through your scalp, and then you put like ample to make sure that all the nutrients go into your scalp. I actually did this in Korea, but I'm really surprised they have it here. So she puts the ample on first. It sounds like it'll hurt, but it's not bad at all. Okay, now we have one last step, and that's red light therapy on your scalp. That completes the scalp treatment. Thank you, Wendy.
Welcome. Oh.
Feels good. My head feels a lot lighter.
Yeah, that's.
And I'm so hungry. We're gonna go eat. Hot pot. I'm done. Finally have my coffee table. I have been using this guy for a good week now, so it's nice to have a coffee table finally. I've been breaking out actually. Even though I work from home, I like to still get ready and do everything as if I had to like go out to like an office, because it just puts me in like a different mode. On days where I have to edit, it's kind of intense. I usually zone in and I edit for a total of like 7 hours or so. I'm all washed up and ready. For everyone who told me not to drink tap water, I got myself a filter. Whew. So the main task that I have to do today is to figure out how to hide the wire from my TV through the wall, because I just cannot stand looking at those wires. So gotta go to Home Depot for that. I also need to get some plants because I love the way plants make your space a bit more homier, and it's just always nice to have some green in your apartment. Before I leave the house, I'm going to edit just a little bit just to get me started, and then we're gonna go out to Home Depot. I'm eating eating noodles and the broth I made. It's called janchiguksu in Korean. I don't know what you call that in English. That's the wire that I'm trying to hide today. But I'm watching a drama. I haven't watched dramas in so long. Like, I feel like I need to keep watching them just so I don't lose my Korean. But this one is called Romance Playbook. It's on Netflix. I should probably warn you guys that I'm gonna be slurping noodles. So if you don't want to hear it, just skip. Right now, I am looking up what I will be needing to hide that wire through the wall. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna make a green smoothie. I've showed you guys my recipe in my other video. If you haven't watched that one, I'll show you guys here. I'm gonna use a blender, throw in some frozen peaches, use some frozen mangoes. I'm also gonna use one banana, use some spinach, and some almond milk, and some water. So good.